Imagine your mind as a vast and intricate landscape, housing two distinct ecosystems. One, resembling a barren desert, devoid of life and inspiration, while the other, a lush jungle, teeming with diverse thoughts and ideas. The latter, a vibrant ecosystem, sustains itself and flourishes, while the former becomes increasingly stagnant and uniform. To cultivate a mind that blooms with richness, exuding a sense of fulfillment and plenitude, you must learn to nurture internal resources for emotional well-being, relying less on external distractions. If you seek to transform the world or anything external to you, you must first transform the dialogue that unfolds within. It is through the alchemy of your thoughts and beliefs that you can reshape your reality and create a life filled with joy and excitement. Your beliefs and the words you use shape your reality. What you consistently talk about becomes your life. If you are always saying you are stuck or unlucky, you are setting yourself up for a life without progress. But if you change your perspective and say, "I'm committed to learning and overcoming challenges," or "I will find what matters most to me and get it done," you empower yourself. In the same way, when you focus on higher vibrational thoughts and words, you attract them into your life. When you focus on an idea or thought, you not only feed it, but also connect with its energy. You become a part of it, and it manifests in your perception and life. Complaining about something is still connecting with it and giving it power, causing it to appear repeatedly in your life. Conversely, when you focus on positive, uplifting thoughts and words, you align yourself with their energy. You become a magnet for the experiences and outcomes associated with those thoughts and words. Your reality begins to shift in response to this higher vibrational focus, bringing more positivity, abundance, and fulfillment into your life. Instead of calling yourself a failure, see your failures as lessons on your path to fulfillment. Don't believe that others are just lucky or gifted. Believe in your ability to learn and grow. Your beliefs shape your thoughts, words, actions, habits, values, and destiny. Embrace positive affirmations, even if they feel strange at first. Repetition and truly feeling these words can change your life. Every day, look in the mirror and say, "I am great, kind, and capable. I am committed, determined, and limitless. I deserve abundance, and I possess many talents, and my skills can serve others." The key is to feel these words within you. Let them resonate deeply. Affirm, "I am healthy, wealthy, and wise. Opportunities come to me easily. I attract great people and blessings into my life. I have the energy and strength I need." Commit to continual growth in abundance, health, and happiness. Your beliefs, thoughts, and words determine your destiny. Don't limit yourself. Affirm your greatness daily and see your life transform. Begin each day with these empowering affirmations, allowing them to guide you towards your best self every day. I choose to focus on positivity and abundance, and I release any feelings that no longer serve me. Every moment is important in my life. I have unlimited power to create myself and my history. Today, I open myself fully to love, abundance, and a healthy sense of self-worth. I allow myself to feel it. I release resentment and expectation. I enjoy what is and tune into the abundance of possibilities before me. From now on, I will exist with all my strength and love in my heart. I am open to abundance. Abundance is the energy I invite and resonate with. I let go of any limiting beliefs about money and embrace the limitless possibilities of abundance. I possess many talents, and my skills can serve others. I am open to the unknown while feeling safe and secure. I release negative beliefs about myself and money. I trust in the infinite abundance of the universe to provide me with all the material goods I need. I know that every experience builds me up and enriches my story. I shed the unnecessary weight of thoughts and emotions. No emotion holds me anymore. I feel free. I open myself to feel my worth fully. I release what does not serve me. My muscles release tension, and my mind becomes light and pleasant. I send love and gratitude to my entire existence, to my past and future. I trust in my higher self to guide me wisely through life and each new day, as I surrender to its guidance and wisdom. I am capable of overcoming any obstacle. I allow myself to attract abundance and positivity into my life, knowing that I am worthy of receiving the best. My intention is to attract the best for my highest good. I am open to receiving all the beauty and love that come my way. I trust the unknown and surrender to the flow of life. I am capable of achieving everything I want as I believe in my skills and talents. I am determined and motivated to make my dreams come true. I am capable of overcoming any obstacle. I am worthy of success and happiness. I am at peace, and I trust the universe. I connect with the limitless energy beyond time and space, allowing it to flow through me and guide me towards my highest potential. I appreciate everything I have in my life. I focus on what is important and good. I allow all these words, feelings, and vibrations to settle into my mind, body, heart, and living space.